Good morning. So I just finished day 4 of Stack by Summer with Kira Lachey's program. And I feel good because while the workout is challenging, I can feel my strength and endurance increasing every day. So that keeps me excited and motivated. Because the physical is great, but the inner work is what really feels I'm getting to the point with my workout, and I think getting to the place of being disciplined enough about it to where I require this time every morning. To even really get my day started, it feels strange now getting my day started without having an opportunity to get a workout in. So for me, that's a bit of a mindset shift, and I'm enjoying that. So just want to give you guys a little pop in here post-workout, sweaty and as authentic as I can be. I'm tired. I'm gonna drink some more water, probably make a protein shake here in a little bit. My plan is to hope to get to all of that little mess over there and get all that stuff situated in the cabinets. Since I've been going through reading and getting more familiar with just different types of recipes and different type of cooking styles, it's led me to get more plant-based within our family's diet. So that's been good, but it's also been requiring me to swap out a lot of things that we had in our pantry for things that better fit with the type of ingredients that we want to cook with now. So slowly a makeover process just to some of the ingredients that don't fit the lifestyle going forward. And just, I think if we can have the right type of ingredients, that just will start with the right type of recipes that we want to be focused on. So we'll see. I've made about, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 different recipes out of the Rachel Amma vegan cookbook, and I really love it. I think it's great because it's the premise of it is you'll sort of make almost like a meal prep way, to where you make either something out of one pot, one big pan, or like one tray for something in the oven. And she does the recipes in a way to where it's one main ingredient or one main dish, and then gives you 2 additional ways that you can sort of reinvent that dish, so you don't feel as though you're eating leftovers, that you're having something new and different every day. So enjoying that. More to come, probably lots more to come. I actually have her second book coming to me. I think Amazon should be delivering it before the weekend is out here, so maybe the next few days. And then there's one other book that I have my mindset on. I am sort of old school in that. Like, I love cookbooks. I have our guest room in one of the closets has cookbooks that I've just collected over time. I love like online recipes, but I do like the feel of like sitting down and going through the recipes and sort of like feeling the pages in my hand. I love the bookmark or what do you call it? Turning the ears down. It's just what I do. And then I kind of keep a little small log of like the recipes that I like, so I can remember which ones I tried. So that's all that I have going on today. So I have some work that I need to get done later, and some goals that I want to get accomplished by today. So depending on how the days go, I may be able to bring you all along, or this just may be the end of today's morning catch up. So we'll see. Talk to you later. Okay, so I am back post-workout. Gotten dressed, refreshed my hair, and I'm a bit ahead on my certification work that I'm going through right now. So I am going to be able to have time to start to attack all this mess that we have here on the table. So cleaned out sort of the pantry area, gonna put these things back in there. So yeah, so I'm gonna work on that for the next little bit, and then I guess I'll be back. Okay, so in the spirit of trying to keep my pantry organized, when we first moved here, I got like containers, labels, right, the whole thing. But what I'm noticing right now is on this bag of flaxseed, I happen to have a little sticker, so I was like, okay, great, let's make use of it. But on the back of here, it says that you're supposed to refrigerate after opening. So to store it, press air out of pouch and seal tightly, best if used within 3 to 4 months after opening. So my question is, are you guys keeping this in the refrigerator or just in an airtight container? And if you've done both, let me know which one you think is better. Thank you. Okay, so I was able to get everything off the table, and those are just place settings that we always just sort of keep there for more decor. We don't normally eat at this table, but I'll have to get my big vase and maybe get some flour. Like I have some vases over here real quick that I'll put some flowers and stuff for the season and get a little bit more spring decor. But yep, that's it. I'm excited. I'm glad I got that done. Yep, that's all. So I have this book. I'm gonna sit outside today with me and my puppy and see if we can get through maybe about half of it, and then the rest of it by the start of next week. So we're gonna sit out here for as long as we can. It's about 76 degrees right now. It feels good, but I don't have a umbrella out here yet. And if you can see her, she's over there back in the shade. And so we're gonna sit out here for as long as we can take it, get some natural vitamin D, and continue to think of a master plan. All right, catch up with y'all soon.